Typically around Thanksgiving, we at Fort Patriots volunteer with the organization Operation Stand Down Tennessee that provides multiple services to present and former United States veterans. We show up to provide a Thanksgiving dinner and to show our appreciation for their service. Obviously this year, it's not a typical year for anybody, so we aren't going to be able to do our Thanksgiving dinner as usual. And a lot of Thanksgiving dinners around the country aren't going to be the same. So I decided I wanted to find a way to give to the people I haven't been able to connect with as much as I would like in 2020. So I got our 4-week survival food kit delivered, and it comes with these 2 free 72-hour food kits. And I want to deliver these to 2 friends in my building that I know have had a tough time since COVID hit. So I want to leave a Thanksgiving note with a very hideously drawn turkey on them, and then go and drop these off. So the first friend, I'm actually collecting his mail for him while he's out of town. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to throw this 72-hour kit in his box and then, I don't know, probably throw his mail in the trash. That's a joke, I know it's illegal. Oh well, happy Thanksgiving. All right, so I got the next kit. There's no turkey drawn on there because I learned from the first time. And I'm gonna bring this other kit to a friend's door and wish her happy Thanksgiving. And I recommend everybody find a way to give to friends and family a little extra this year. You don't need me to tell you how difficult this year has been on so many people. But if you would like a reference, over here on the left is what I looked like at last year's Thanksgiving, and on the right, this is how I look now. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Fort Patriots channel and check back for new videos every week.